Can an LLC have multiple owners? Yes, an LLC can have multiple owners, and they are called members. A multi-member LLC is the default setup when two or more people form an LLC together. Each member owns a percentage of the business, which can be divided equally or based on how much money, property, or services each person contributes. The rights, responsibilities, and profit-sharing arrangements among members are usually outlined in the LLC's operating agreement. This agreement is critical because it sets the rules for decision-making, voting, and what happens if a member leaves or passes away. For tax purposes, a multi-member LLC is generally treated as a partnership by default. The LLC files Form 1065 with the IRS and issues each member a Schedule K-1 to report their share of income or losses on their personal tax return. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and provide operating agreement templates to make multi-member ownership clear and compliant. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.